Welcome to the teachings of Say No in 3-minute journey to practical wisdom, success, and happiness. In this short time, let's explore the essential lessons from Say No, whose insights have empowered countless people to reshape their lives. Please subscribe and like. 1. Money is a tool, not the goal. Say No reminds us that money should serve as a tool for freedom, not the ultimate purpose of life. Many chase wealth, thinking it guarantees happiness, but true fulfillment comes from how you use money, not how much you have. Remember, money is a means, not an end. 2. Take responsibility, no more excuses. Success isn't determined by your background, education, or luck, it's shaped by your attitude. Say No teaches that the wealthy seek solutions, while others look for excuses. Stop blaming circumstances. Take charge, find solutions, and move forward. Poor people find excuses, the rich find methods. 3. Self-reliance is true freedom. Depending on others, whether family, government, or employers, limits your freedom. True independence comes from standing on your own. When you rely on yourself, you gain control over your life and future. Economic independence is the foundation of real freedom. 4. Focus on production, not consumption. The wealthy build assets, the poor spend all they earn. Say No urges you to manage money. Wisely cut unnecessary expenses and invest in assets like real estate, businesses, or investments. Money spent disappears, but money invested multiplies. 5. Set achievable goals and keep moving forward. Dreams are important, but practical, achievable goals are the key to progress. Say No emphasizes small, steady steps. Consistent effort, even if tiny, leads to big results over time. Keep moving forward, even if it's just an inch. 6. Never stop learning and growing. Continuous improvement is vital. Don't settle for comfort, challenge yourself. Read widely, and build practical skills. Invest time in self-development every day. Upgrade yourself constantly, don't be satisfied with the status quo. 7. Build genuine relationships. Authenticity is the heart of strong relationships. Say No teaches to seek mutual benefit and trust, not manipulation. Lasting connections are built on sincerity and honesty. 8. Be the master of your life. Live by your own standards, not others. Discover your true values and build your life around them. Success is about living freely according to your principles. You are the master of your own life. 9. Embrace challenges and overcome limits. Challenges are opportunities for growth. Don't fear obstacles, use them to push beyond your limits and discover new possibilities. If you don't cross your limits, you'll never see a new world. 10. The world isn't fair, accept it and move on. Life isn't always just, but complaining changes nothing. Focus on what you can control and find ways to thrive. The world is unfair, but that's just how it is. Find your way to survive and succeed. Thank you for listening to the teachings of Say No. Remember, happiness and success begin with your mindset and actions. Take these lessons to heart and start your journey to a richer, freer, and more meaningful life today.